I'm Wonjun Jang, so I'm working as the postdoc in QNS. So now I'm making the home built STM. So we are planning the 2 STM now. Yeah, so when I was young, so when I was a child, at that time I saw a lot of comics. So yeah, in the comics, normally there are the good scientists. So I really want to be a good scientist to keep the peace of the world. So that's the reason. So from that time, so I want to be a scientist. Yes. The Korean name is 철인 28호. So that is the remote control the robot. So that's the at the time very fantastic to me. So because if that machine is broken, then the controller can be hurt, right? Normally the controller is in the robot. So however, if I use the remote control, then I'm safe, right? These days, definitely Iron Man. Iron Man is a very nice guy. Yeah, I think that this is just in the STM field. Because we use the STM, now I'm making the home built STM. Then that means that there are a lot of the unexpected things. So yeah, some part can be broken, some part cannot work at all. Then we have to repair always. Then means we should spend a lot of time to fix that part or to set the normal state. That's the bad things. Yeah, so I said the bad thing first. Yeah. So good thing is everything is okay. So in the machine, then we can see the really nice data. Yeah, when I was the student, so I remember. Still I remember that time. When I saw the gold atom, so atom lattice of the gold 130, then the signal is very nice. At the time, I feel the connecting with the STM myself. So yeah, that's a very amazing experience for me. Yeah, not big result, however, just very beautiful. Yeah, so yeah, that's the good thing. So we can see the very beautiful image in the nanoscale. If we include the modification also, then the 3 or 4, right? Yeah. I heard Andreas will come to Korea. Yeah, at the time, I think I want to go there because at the first time in the APS meeting, when I was a student, I saw the Andreas talk. So that's very fantastic. So very nice topic, and also the presentation is very good. And the physics is also very simple. That's very nice. And also the 2008, I visit the IBM Almaden lab. So at the time, I could try the manipulation of atom also in that lab. Yeah, from that time. So yeah, so Andreas is my hear something. Yeah, that's the reason I come to the QNS, right? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. See you again.